What is up, guys? So today I have here the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today it got the new May security update. So today I'm just going to be installing it and seeing what is new. There are 47 security fixes this year. Okay, I need to charge my phone, so let me just go ahead and charge it, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now that the phone is charged to 30%, I'm going to go ahead and install. But yeah, like I said, there's quite a few security improvements, so your phone is less vulnerable to being, hacked and stuff like that. But yeah, so let's go ahead and just let it download, and I will be right back. I would say I like how much Samsung has improved their, upgrading, I don't know, whatever you want to call that, their, menu, or their, I guess, hold on, their updating, page or screensaver. I think it looks really nice and premium. But yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so it is now moving on to the next process or stage, I guess, of updating. So just, give it its time to do that. It should say optimizing apps unless they changed it, which I don't think they would majorly change it. And that's like another OS update. Like the next one will be WinUI 6.1.1. But yeah, so I think it's just going to optimize apps now. And now it's just saying Samsung Galaxy secured by Knox, powered by Android, T-Mobile. There we go. So maybe it doesn't have to optimize apps anymore. Let's see what happens. Okay, there it goes. Okay, that was fast. Okay, so let's go ahead and power this back on. Oh, my Z Flip 5 just kind of went dark, probably because it's at 5%. Okay, so hopefully the camera doesn't die on me. It's at 5. But yeah, so everything looks great. I'm just going to go ahead and just use this for like a minute or so and come back to you. Okay, so I noticed that this phone runs smoother. I think it's just the animations maybe, and the font looks slightly different. Like I was scrolling for these ripped jeans or ripped shorts, and I noticed that it just everything scrolls smoother, if that makes sense. So there are definitely some small improvements when it comes to just overall performance, and I would definitely say that the font is different just by a touch. It seems more refined, and I think apps open slightly different and or smoother, I should say. And it definitely seems that the colors are different too. But yeah, let me know your thoughts about this new update, and obviously security. It has been really improved. But yeah, let me know your thoughts about this security update, and if you got it, what you think about it. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I'll catch you in my next video, and I'll see you then.